Hi everyone, my name is Eric Zieger. I'm representing ClearMotion Glass. Today we'll be discussing our Clearview LED product, which you see behind me. Our first product is our laminated in-glass model. As you can see, this is a P5. Really where we differentiate on the market is the transparency. As you can see my hand behind the display here. We're actually marrying two pieces of glass with LED diodes inside the glass. This is all architecturally safety rated glass. So this can go on building facades, a lot of different applications for conference rooms, for retail, advertisement purposes. And as you can see, there is two panels of glass here. So there's no real size restrictions to this product. What we do is we daisy chain the product down in the back. So we can go out as far vertically or as tall as you want on the product. And another model that we have in our Clearview LED product is our LED applied. So this model over here is a P4. And what we're doing, this is great for existing structure where we actually have the LED mesh exposed on the back side. And what we're using is a 3M pressure releasing glue. And then we can daisy chain these models out as far and wide or as tall as you would like. So again, Eric Zieger with ClearMotion Glass. Come visit us here at ClearMotion Glass on InfoComm, booth number 7943. You can also reach us on our website, which is clearmotionglass.com, or shoot us an email at info@clearmotionglass.com. Thanks.